Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp Bhuna. This flavorful dish is surprisingly simple to prepare, perfect for a weeknight meal. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients, including about 1 pound of succulent shrimp, 1 large onion, and a few key spices. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious outcome in under 30 minutes. First, let's get our shrimp ready by marinating them briefly with a little salt and turmeric. This enhances their flavor. Next, we'll begin building the Bhuna's rich base. Heat some oil in a pan, then gently sauté your chopped onions until they are beautifully golden. Follow this by adding the aromatic garlic and ginger, cooking them for about 1 minute until their wonderful fragrance fills your kitchen. Now it's time to introduce the vibrant spices. Stir in 1 teaspoon each of chili, cumin, and coriander powder, letting them bloom in the oil for about 30 seconds. Then, add your chopped tomatoes and a half cup of water, allowing the sauce to simmer and reduce for about 10 minutes. Once the sauce is thick and glossy, gently fold in your marinated shrimp, ensuring they are well coated in the rich Bhuna. The shrimp cook quickly, so let them simmer in the sauce for just 3 to 5 minutes until they are perfectly pink and tender. Finish by stirring in 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala for an extra layer of warmth and a generous sprinkle of fresh cilantro. Give it a quick taste and adjust any seasoning. Your homemade shrimp Bhuna is now ready to be enjoyed, perhaps with some fluffy rice or warm naan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.